Kita itu kita tin. Kita tin.
Mother, look at the sky. Look. We're flying.
Lanjut naik na.
Yes, it's faster.
Mother, look at the buildings like Lego. Like Lego. Are you scared? Don't be scared. Mommy's right here. It's only two. Mother, look. Like a Lego. Connor! Hi, good morning. Connor, say good morning. Thank you.
Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello ma'am, good morning.
Yes.
Connor, say hi.
Connor, say hi to Dad. Connor, say hi to Dad. Wow, Connor, are you happy? Huh? Really? You're not happy naman eh. Happy. What happened? What happened to you? Hey, what happened to you? What happened to you, mommy?
Sukayana.
Connor! Baby, what happened? Baby, are you dizzy? Huh? Yes? Come here. Come on. Connor! Hey, look, oh!
Baby, what happened?
Look, oh!
Baby! What happened, baby? Connor, are you dizzy?
Connor! Hi! Are you happy? Yes. Ay, Connor! Oh my goodness!
baby.
Bakit ang ganda na po siya sa mga?
Yan ah.
Wow! Ah, sorry. Can you show mommy? Wow!
Can I have the other one?
On our other one.
Don't move,
Behave,
ah.
behave muna.
Don't move, ah.
Behave lang. Oh, don't move, don't move.
Connor, can you show me your hand? Wow! It's so nice.
Wait, that's not yet.
Connor, not yet done. Don't move kasi. Wow, oh. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Don't move.
Don't move.
And Tida Nanto Dida
Yes.
and Daddy and the Ati.
Don't
Wait,
move.
nahirapan ako doon.
Don't move.
Daddy, I can eat it.
Let's clean first your hand. Connor, come here, come here.
Daddy, Nicky.
Oh, you pee.
I like Tito.
Yes, yes.
Tito.
Yes, yes.
I like you. And Daddy.
No, not there.
3 steps. 1, 2, 3. Yay! And 4.
Daddy, I'm not Daddy. Daddy. Daddy, I'm not Daddy.
Oh, he loves the beach
You love the
daw.
You love swimming?
Yes.
Wow.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Oh, you wake up early tomorrow, ha? Let's have breakfast, ha? And then let's go swimming na, ha?
Ediade. Chamaita. Hey, Lena. Mommy, this is our dish. Mom, that's Emma. I'm sitting down on her.
Oh, that's a sword.
Hey, Emma, look out.
My turn! My turn! Baby, my turn! I got it! I got it! Honor! Honor! Ayan! It's so nice! Yes! One, two, 13. Lagi may tawag dyan. Sit up. Easy. Bago yan.
Mommy, you can see me.
Wow!
Mommy, let's play the thunder.
Okay.
It's dirty.
It's dirty? Oh, you wash your fingers there. Connor! Connor!
Yeah.
Baby! I'm so happy! Are you happy?
Patayuin natin, ma'am. Stand up. Up. Look, mama. Mama, look.
Wow! Oops!
Play.
Wow! Oh my goodness! What's that?
Playground. I call it playground. Playground. Playground.
Pirate ship! Oh my goodness! Oh, you try it? Go inside. No, no, not there. Not there. Look for the stairs. Here. Okay, I'll carry you. Why are you sad, baby?
Daddy, not yet.
You're not using it naman eh. Oh, are you gonna swim ba? Ha?
Me.
Oh, no naman, di ba? Oh, come on. Let's
Mom, let's that's it there.
Oh, come on. Let's play basketball there. Come on.
Huh? Daddy didn't play to the rainbow.
Because there's only one glass eh. Oh. Don't be sad na. Come here. Oh, let's go upstairs na. Connor,
I'm cleaning.
you're not swimming.
I'm cleaning.
Huh? Huh? Good morning.
Oh, you try. Ano ang tawag doon?
And
Connor! Connor! Encanto! Encanto. Sing, sing. And let's I know! Moana. Moana. Like waves, like waves. Oops! Hi! 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 Connor! Look at yourself. Oops! Your mouth! Remember! Let's wait for Daddy there. Hi! Hi! Are you happy? Yan, very good. Your arms. Your arms. Connor. Oh.
Like this.
Connor.
Connor, tingin ka ng picture kay
Oh,
Mami.
picture ka na lang kaya si Connor. Baka mamaya ano dun eh.
We'll get that ano.
Again? Again? Okay, no problem. One more? More? and baby.
Hi!
Are you sleepy?
Are you sleepy?
Are you ready? Parasailing? Ready?
Oh, where you sleeping?
Ready? Ready? Parasailing? Hi! Hi, Connor! Hi!
Guwapo ah.
Thank you, Miss Donna! Ayaw niya doon eh. Oo.
Big wave.
Alam mo naman, pupuno niya eh.
Huh? Then like it.
Oh, you get
Oh, don't touch, ha? Don't touch. Don't touch. It's hot.
Thank you, Kuya.
Connor, you can do it.
Almost.
Almost.
You can.
Wow!
And then push up.
It's stronger.
Yes.
Push up.
Here, push up, here.
Exercise.
Exercise.
I
Wow, so faster.
Tawa na tawa, iba na yung isa pa.
Macy, stop. Macy.
Again.
Stay there, ha? Stay there, ha? I will close it. Don't move, ha? Don't move. Don't move, ha?
Han.
Hello, Mami! Hi!
Daddy, where go?
Hi, let's happy kami! With the Nangnong and the friends!
Hi, friends! This is honor of video.
Hey, are there new, there's new friends, oh?
There's new friends.
Ay, we have a bathtub here.
Wow!
Hello, my friend.
My friend, go there. Ang ganda ng bathtub doon.
Wow!
Hello, my friend.
Wow!
Oh, there's a bathtub there. You can swim.
Ang ganda ng bata, ang laki.
Ang laki!
Ayun. Naging Pinoy.
Tagalog.
Ayun!
Hello, my friend.
Sabi niya sa bata, ayun! Ito na lang.
Hello, my friend. Hi, friend. Hi, friend. Where have you been? Ay, hindi na nga. Doon yung chinelas, baby. Ay, mas gusto niya yung ganyan. Malambot. Ayoko ng chinelas dun sa Crimson. Ang ingay
Ay,
ng
ito ba?
lalakad.
Ito.
Oo. Gusto niya yung ganyan paano.
Yung parang
Parang nasa bahay ka.
So we're here in Muben Peak. There's Shangri-La, Muben, and then Crimson over there. This is Station 0. Ayan. Honor, go inside. Hi, good morning. Connor, you say good morning. Connor, go to ma'am. Go inside. Gusto niyo pa siguro. Hi. Hi, baby. Come here. Go inside. You go inside, baby, oh. Sige po. Connor, oh, there's playmates, oh. Aww. You go inside na. Remove your sleepers. Remove.
Play with City.
Come on. Bye. Ay, your sleepers, baby, your sleepers. Take off your sleepers.
Mom, shoot.
Try it muna. Try inside.
Oh, what's the name? I forgot what's the name. Your friend. What's the name? What's the name?
Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Thank you!
Hindi masakit yung sunburn mo?
Medyo.
Hotday.
Sobrang hapdi, konti lang ako kahapon.
Sabi
Kaso
ko
yun.
Hotday.
First time is Galang. Pag 4 years old nga, pwede nang iwan dito eh.
Pwede kita iwan dito.
Wet.
Ikaw gusto niya kalaro.
Naku, makabal.
Hindi ka ako kananong.
See, I can fit. I can.
Nangnong is big.
I'm big.
My turn now.
Yeah, it's your turn.
Oh!
Come on. Your turn, your turn. Kambal, maligid sa ganito eh.
Mahilig ng french fries.
This is yours. What is this?
It's like,
It's a restaurant.
I know.
It's hard to eat.
Isik. Mamani?
Ha? Sige, ikalat mo na ikalat.
Oo, sila mo isa dito eh.
Ikalat mo, ikalat. Sige nga, can you put them? One by one, sige nga. Number 1, start. 1. Very good. Number 2. No, not that one. Not that one. No,
Verse
no.
number 2.
There.
Verse number
Yan. Very
two.
good.
Verse number
3. Nasaan na? No. Oh, look for it. Look for number 3. You look for number 3.
There's number 3. Oh, I saw it.
Look for it. That's there. Yan.
Ay,
Oh,
si
ito
sa akin,
yung
wala
oh,
board.
mamadali.
Where's number?
Ah,
Ay,
number
nandun na
5.
pala.
Di mo naman ni sunod-sunod eh. No, that's not.
Yun.
Ayan.
Put everything na. No. Yes. More pa more. There's more. You get more. Get them all. Very good.
No, may mga libro pa ako para sa mga
Wow.
parents. So, sige maglaro ka dyan,
Magbabasa
ng
ka,
libro.
oh. Very good.
Tater, tater.
Are you ready?
Hindi.
Morning.
Morning.
Yes.
Where is it, Connor?
Don't shout.
Where? I can see it.
Where's the airplane?
Oh my goodness.
Don't shout.
Daddy, get to the elevator.
Yes, you will ride the airplane.
Dad, just under elevator. Too small.
Wala, I can see it.
Again!
Are you ready to boarding pass? Yes, I will carry you.
Daddy,
Hi.
40.
Do not inflate your lighter system to aircraft. The knob will automatically activate when the battery is simulating 1. The emergency exit or clear the mat throughout the cabin. Locate the exit here. The exit may be behind you. Gates or power doors are
hey!
emergency lighting bars markings lead you to the
That's
exit.
done.
For further information, please study the
Daddy, it's nice.
preparation for takeoff. Make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Sit back in a bright position. Our electronic devices like laptops or tablets loaded in your seat pockets. And a shades open and your table.
Huh?
More
Again?
secondly, welcome to the